Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the hottest topics in the tech industry today. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. However, the idea of learning AI can seem daunting to many. In this video, we'll provide some tips and resources to help you get started on your AI journey. Tip 1. Understand the basics. The first step to learning AI is to understand the basics. This includes learning about the different types of AI, such as machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. You can find many resources online, such as videos, articles, and tutorials that explain the basics of AI in a simple and easy-to-understand way. Tip 2. Take an online course. Once you have a basic understanding of AI, it's time to dive deeper. One of the best ways to do this is to take an online course. There are many platforms, such as Coursera, edX, and Udemy, that offer AI courses for beginners. These courses are taught by experts in the field and provide a structured learning path that will take you from the basics to more advanced topics. Tip 3. Join a community. Learning AI can be challenging, but it's much easier if you have a community of like-minded individuals to support you. Joining an online community, such as a forum or a Slack group, will give you access to a network of people who are also learning AI. You can ask questions, share resources, and get feedback on your projects. Tip 4. Practice, practice, practice. Learning AI is not just about theory, it's also about practice. You need to get your hands dirty and start working on real projects. There are many datasets available online that you can use to build your own AI models. You can also participate in hackathons or competitions that focus on AI to challenge yourself and learn from others. Tip 5. Stay up to date. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments. You can do this by reading blogs, following experts on social media, and attending conferences and meetups. This will not only keep you informed but also help you build a network of contacts in the industry. On concluding, learning AI can be a challenging but rewarding journey. With the right resources, community, and practice, anyone can become an AI expert. We hope these tips have given you some inspiration and motivation to start your AI journey today. Remember, understanding the basics, taking online courses, joining a community, practicing, and staying up to date are the keys to success. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and other exciting tech topics.